You told me you loved me, was your one and only, only. Now I'm sitting here lonely. What made you change your mind? Did everything I could do. Lost myself loving you. Just wanted the truth. But our love became a lie. Now my friends are leaving without me. I'm still thinking about you. Left me in the corner and I'm trying to move. Drunk over you. I got this feeling and it's deep in my soul. I don't want you to know that I'm alone. I got this feeling and it's keeping a hold. I don't want you to know that I'm alone. I can't let you go. Don't want it to show. You're keeping a hold of me, me. I'm sitting here alone. My faith became broken.